Today, I'll show you how to change text color in Klaviyo. Whether you're crafting a captivating email campaign or simply want to make your text stand out, customizing the text color can make a significant impact. So, let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can add a splash of color to your Klaviyo emails with ease. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the specific text block you want to edit. If you're already inside your Klaviyo dashboard, you probably have your email template open. Scroll down to find the text block you're aiming to modify. Clicking into this text block will allow you to begin the editing process. It's essential to make sure you're in the right section, so take a moment to verify that you've selected the correct part of your email. Once you're inside the text block, it's time to highlight the exact words you want to color. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text you wish to change. This step is crucial because only the highlighted text will be affected by the color change. If you want to apply the same color to multiple sections, you'll need to repeat this process for each section individually. Keep in mind that choosing the right words to highlight can enhance readability and draw attention to critical information. Now, direct your attention to the formatting toolbar, which should be right above the text you're editing. This toolbar is your gateway to various formatting options, including the ability to change text color. Among the icons, look for the text color icon. It's typically represented by the letter A with a colorful line beneath it. Clicking on this icon will open up the color selection menu. With the color menu open, you have a couple of options to choose from. You can select a color from the grid that appears, which offers a variety of standard colors to choose from. If you're aiming for a consistent look that aligns with your brand, you might want to use your brand's exact color. In that case, you can paste your exact brand hex code into the designated area. Hex codes are a great way to ensure precise color matching, especially if your brand has specific color guidelines. And that's it. You've successfully changed the text color in Klaviyo. As a quick recap, remember to click into the text block, highlight the text, use the text color icon, and choose your desired color or paste your hex code. Customizing text color isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing the effectiveness of your communication. Color can guide the reader's attention and emphasize the most critical parts of your message. If you encounter any issues or want to experiment with more colors, don't hesitate to explore Klaviyo's support resources or community forums for additional tips and tricks. Changing text color is a simple yet powerful tool in your email marketing toolkit, and with these steps, you can easily implement it into your next campaign. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of Klaviyo and other marketing platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.